Hi everybody, this is Tony. It's giveaway day. Thank you so much for everybody who participated in this giveaway celebrating Reneabouquets' beautiful board this month. And I am just humbled by the response and the shares and just the sweet comments that everybody left me on my blog, on my Facebook page, and as well as my YouTube page. And I'm just humbled that that many people would be interested in getting a piece of my art, because my art comes from my heart, of course, like so many other artists out there. And I feel like when I'm giving it away, I'm giving a little piece of myself. So I really appreciate and am humbled at the desire that you all would be interested in having a little piece of me at your home. And I had quite a few responses. I'm doing it old school way here. I actually have never had a drawing before, so this is new to me. But let's see what you're gonna get. Let me go over this first of all. The drawing was for my canvas, and then I'm going to include also an easel so that you can prop it up wherever you would like, or you could use the easel for your own piece of art, whatever you want. Also, a box of goodies, some of which I handmade and some that you can create with, and it's a surprise. So I'm not going to open it up. You'll just have to wait. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get on with the drawing. So, swish it up, swish it up, swish it up. Okay. Can't see inside the ball. Okay, let's see. That's only one. Okay. And who is the lucky winner? And the lucky winner is Betty Brown. Yay! Congratulations, Betty. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you to all my participants. And Betty, I'll give you until, let's see, Wednesday, I think is the 18th, to contact me. You can either message me on Facebook or leave me a message on YouTube, however you would like, and then I can get your prize out to you. And if I don't hear from you by Wednesday, then I will be going ahead and drawing another name, okay? So, but once again, like I said, I just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to all my subscribers. I'm fairly new. I've only been on YouTube about a year. I was very nervous about getting on YouTube because I really don't like being on camera. I don't like my voice, whatever. And but you all have been so supportive and so sweet. And it was just a little way for me to give back to the crafting community through the years. I'm a self-made crafter. I've never really taken a lot of classes, but I have learned so much from so many YouTube artists, and it was my little way to be able to give back to my crafty friends. And the overall response to my YouTube channel has been wonderful, and I just really super appreciate it. And welcome to all my new subscribers. And if there's ever anything that you're interested in me creating for you, or if you have a suggestion or anything, please let me know. I'm open to those suggestions. And I'm sorry, I'm playing with Betty's name here. There we go. And just let me know if there's anything that I can create for you, or teach you, or, if you want to talk about something, I'm always open to suggestions and comments. So once again, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and have a beautiful day. And once again, congratulations, Betty. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.